Hello engineers, in this video I am coming to create a complete bill for all of you guys. And one thing I want to mention that please watch the first video. I have explained everything. The project type, time and client, contractor, subcontractor. And I have explained the case study of this bill. So in this video, I am just creating the bill from the weekly reports. As a billing engineer, you will receive daily, weekly or monthly reports. On the basis of those reports or documents, you should create or prepare a bill. First, I am coming to the reports. And one thing I want to mention, in the bill, you should have measurement sheet, bill abstract and bill form. These three. And this format has been already prepared by the company. Now I want to just put the values so it will give us the total budget. So I'm coming to the weekly reports that I have received from the site of the project. You can see engineers, this is a complete weekly progress report of 2 months work. Okay. And the previous video we studied that the project time is 18 months and it was mentioned in the agreement between the client and contractor that the work till plant level should be completed in 2 months. There were two subcontractors, one Arif Jubair and the second one Ravi Hinduja construction company. Okay, these were two subcontractors. Except shuttering and steel work, the remaining work belongs to Arif Jubair. And this weekly report of 2 months, and shuttering and steel work depends or belongs to Ravi Hinduja subcontractor. One thing else I want to clarify, okay, that billing cycle for Arif Jubair subcontractor was 2 weeks. We have weekly report. It means after every 2 weeks we should make or create one bill, okay, for Arif Jubair. And another subcontractor was Ravi Hinduja. His billing cycle was 4 weeks. So it means after 4 weeks, one bill should be created for the second subcontractor, Ravi Hinduja. Okay, understood about this. This all talk was explained in the first video. Please go and watch that. So I'm coming here first to create one RA, okay, or one running account bill for the first subcontractor who is Arif Jubair. So I am coming here. Except shuttering and steel, all other values of the first 2 weeks, I want to make a bill from. I want to take this data and put in the bill. Okay. First, I am coming to site cleaning. So I am coming here. This is the first measurement sheet of the bill. First, you should write the name of the contract, working site, engineer name, okay, billing name. RA means running account bill. And then you can write the date. Understood? This is the date, this is the starting, and this is the ending. Where did I take this date from? From the weekly report. So I'm coming here. First I have the numbers, then I'm coming to the particulars or the items. Okay, first what do I have in the first week? Site cleaning, excavation and putting, filling. All of these items work belong to Arif Jubair. Just writing here. So I am just writing site cleaning. Okay. Site cleaning, excavation. Just write here site cleaning. It is the first item. Second one, excavation. And third one is putting RCC. So I wrote here. And next in the second week, what do we have? Okay, from this date till this date, it is 1 week. Okay, again we have site cleaning, we have written here. Excavation we have written here. Putting we have written here. Putting PCC, okay, and then putting RCC we have written here. So just write putting PCC. Just come here and write putting PCC, okay, and just come here and see, do we have here other things or not? Site cleaning, excavation, putting RCC, putting PCC, putting filling. Okay, one thing is remaining, putting filling. And just come here and write, okay, putting filling. Okay, and just write here. Now I'm coming to the total of site cleaning, excavation, putting RCC, putting PCC and putting filling. Just write it. First I'm coming to site cleaning, and I am writing the total quantity from the weekly report. Okay, as the billing cycle is 2 weeks, so I should look for site cleaning in both weeks and add the values of site cleaning. So I am coming here and we have site cleaning here, and this is the total and this is the unit measurement, and here we have this value. So we should add this value and this value. Okay, equal 1946.4 plus 1297.6 and enter. So engineer, this will be the total of site cleaning. Understood? Then I'm coming to excavation. Excavation, we have 540 and here we have 756. Okay, we add both of these values. So I'm coming and just equal. In the first week we have excavation 540 plus, and the second week we have 756. Okay, and enter. Then I am coming to footing RCC. Just find here footing RCC. Yes, we have footing VCC and this is footing RCC. We have only one footing RCC. Understood? It is 50.125. Just come here and write 50.125 and it is done. Then come to footing VCC. Okay, footing VCC. Only we have one footing VCC, that is 27. So just write here 27. And then come to footing filling 27. Do we have another footing filling? Yes. 22 footing filling. Okay, we do not have another footing filling. 27 plus 22, so equal 27 plus 22 and done. Engineers, we completed the measurement sheet. Okay, for the first 2 weeks these are the items and this is the data of these items. And now we are coming to bill abstract. Okay, just click here and you can see this is the format of bill abstract. First of all, we need the items here. Okay, so I am coming, just copy these items, Control C, and come here, Control V. Understood? We have the unit already here. This format has been provided by the company. Okay, then we are coming to the rate, where we can get this rate from. So just come here. Okay, as I have already told you that we have this agreement rate with the contractor. Okay, this agreement rate has been done between the client, Minister of Education, and the contractor building company. Understood? So we have here the prices, we have the rates here. Okay, for site cleaning we have 40 rupee, for excavation we have 170. So just come here and write here, we have 40 for site cleaning, 170 for excavation, and then we are coming to footing RCC and footing VCC. Understood? Just come here, find footing VCC. We have 450 and RCC 750. Okay, so just come here, it is RCC, so we can say 750 rupee. Okay, and this is 450. Understood? Footing VCC. And then we are coming to footing filling. What is the rate for the footing filling? For the filling we have 15. Okay, you can write here 15 rupee. So just come here and write 15. One thing, please change the unit to cubic meter. Understood? So we have here excavation. Okay, these are the rates we wrote here. Okay, then we are coming to previous bill quantity. As it is the first bill, so we do not have the quantity, just leave it blank. Okay, and then we are coming to present bill quantity. So just come here to measurement sheet and copy these values, Control C and Control V, and then we are coming to add column number 6 and column number 5 in this one. So just equal column number 6 plus column number 5, and the remaining work is done automatically. we have already applied the formulas, so that's why automatically the formulas are working. Okay, so just scroll it down for the remaining. Okay, so you can see present bill amount. This is the amount. Understood? So we can see for every item here. Now, if you can see here, engineers, this is the total amount. Now, details of debit note. Debit means deduction. As I mentioned in the first video, that the subcontractors, the Arif Jubair, is responsible for the labor, work, and equipments. Understood? Vehicles, bulldozers, excavators, and etc. But Arif Jubair borrowed or took 85-liter diesels from the company. So the company wants to deduct this amount of money from his bill, from Arif Jubair bill. If you do not know about this one, so go to the first video and watch that one. Okay, so I'm coming to write here first 85 liters, okay, were given to Arif Jubair. So I am coming to present bill quantity. Okay, you can write here 85 liters, 85, and then do we have previous bill quantity? No, that is 0. You can write just 0. And what is the rate? And 2020, if we just pretend or suppose it, 75 rupees. Okay, the price of 1 liter diesel was 75 rupees. So you can come here. Okay, and then come equal this one plus column number 5. So engineers, you can see present bill amount. This is the money of 85 liters diesel. Okay, this money deducted automatically from this amount, and you can see the total amount here. After the debit amount, you can see the present bill amount is this one. Okay, and then we have site engineer signature here, contractor sign, billing engineer, and project engineer. And finally, we are coming to bill form. Okay, this is the third step. If you can see here, engineers, automatically, this is the gross bill amount up to date. Automatically, all of these formulas have been applied and these charges have been deducted from this gross bill amount. Okay, if you can see, this is the amount that we can see here. This is the present bill amount. Understood? But here we have some charges according to the agreement which was done between the contractor company and subcontractors. Okay, I mean Arif Jubair, it was mentioned that 1% we have TDS, okay, and 1% we have SD, security deposit, 5% we have PG, okay, performance guarantee, and it should be, all of these charges should be deducted from the total gross amount. So these are deducted. If I click here, you can see 1%, 1%. And then we are coming to this row. You can see paid amount by cash or check. And this is the first bill, okay? We have not paid any cash. So that's why we just write here 0 amount. And then we have total deduction. Total deduction means all of these charges that we have deducted from this total amount. Okay, you can see this is the total. You can see we just understood about the security deposit when it should be released. It was mentioned in the previous video. You can watch that. So it is the first bill. We just write here 0. Okay, because after completing of the project, the security deposit will be released. Okay, but it is the project is going on, so security deposit is maintained. We just write here 0. And payable bill amount. What will be payable bill amount right now? It is 3,50,823.54. Understood? Finally, we created the first bill and then come to the signatures and just sign it. It is very important. Then we have for another 2 weeks, we have another bill. And then for another 2 weeks, we have another bill. And for another 2 weeks, we have another bill. Total, we have 4 bills. Okay. Now I'm coming to the next 2 weeks. Only another bill I want to make. Okay, engineers. And the rest of 2 bills, you should create them. Now the bill has been created for this week and this week. Now I am coming to this week, okay, and this week. I am coming to RA2. I have already calculated or created it, okay. Just I am showing you that how you can create another bill. It has a little or a minor difference. That's why I want to create another bill. So again, you can write the contractor name, working site, engineer name, bill date. This is running account bill 2, understood? And bill date here and bill period, okay? You can write the bill date and bill period from this weekly report. So I have already taken the data from these both weeks, okay? So I have written here. You can see here. First, you should write excavation work, putting filling, putting RCC, putting PCC, pedestal column RCC, putting back filling, one line brickwork, ground beam RCC. These all items have been given in the first week and second week, okay? If we have excavation work in this week and we have okay, so you should write there if we have putting filling here and if we have putting filling somewhere else here, okay, so you should add the values if we have to same thing. So I have already written them. So these are the items and these are their values, understood? Then I'm coming to bill abstract. You can see I have already copied and pasted the items, and these are the rates. I have taken the rates from table number 1. You can see here the agreement rate here, okay? From here the rates are written here, okay? You can just take the rates from here. And then I'm coming to present bill quantity. Just come to measurement sheet and copy all of these values and just come to present bill quantity column and paste them, okay? This is a new thing. Look at this. Previous bill quantity. If you guys remember, we calculated RA1, okay, and this is running account 2. This is another bill for another 2 weeks. We have already previous bill quantity. So you just go to RA, okay, and just come here to measurement sheet 1, okay, understood, and just copy and paste these values and here, okay, here. And these, look at this, we have site cleaning, excavation, putting RCC, everything is same, understood? So just according to that, for example, in the previous bill, we have site cleaning, this is the amount. You can see, okay, go there and see. And then we have excavation, copy and paste. Then we have putting filling, copy and paste. Then we have putting PCC, RCC and the first bill. Just copy and paste in this column, previous bill quantity, okay? And do we have these items? No, so just write here 0 and that is done. This is only one new thing. So just come here, engineers, like previous, just add column number 6 and number 5, and these are the values, so you can have this amount, understood? Then we will have this total amount, understood? And then I'm coming to, do we have any debit amount in the second bill? No. Do we have any debit in the first bill? We have no debit or deducted amount or money and second bill. So I have written here 0. But in previous bill, we have 85 liters diesel as a debit or deducted amount, okay? So I just copy and pasted the rate and the previous bill quantity here, okay? So automatically, we will have previous bill amount here. Look, previous bill amount here. So it will be written here automatically. But in present bill amount, we have 0 because this amount belongs to the previous bill. So it is done. So what will be the total, engineers? This time the total will be same like this one and this one because we have no debit amount in the present. Engineers, when you come to the bill form, so this will be the gross bill amount up to date. I want to show you here. We have this amount. What is total bill amount, engineers? This will be our total bill amount. You just click here. You can see here, okay? And when you come here, so automatically you will have gross bill amount up to date and then add these charges, one new thing. Look at this. If you guys remember, in the first bill we had here 0, but here we have this amount. Where did we get this from? Paid amount by cash or check. We have already have one bill that has been passed. Okay, so we have already paid amount in the first bill, so you should go to the first bill and just come here, bill form, and just look at this. Just link this amount, Control C, and then come here and just write here Control V. Here you can see I have linked this value. Okay, and from first bill you should have this one, and then add 4 of these values, so this will be the total deduction. Understood? We should deduct the first bill amount. Okay, total amount, and then security deposit again 0. What is payable bill amount? This will be payable bill amount of the second bill.